Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing at the pharmacy sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
The pharmacy is near the hospital.
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 A green cross sign is outside.
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 The pharmacy opens very early.
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 Many medicines are on the shelves.
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 The shelves are tall and neat.
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 A pharmacist stands behind the counter.
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 She wears a white coat inside.
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 I need some cough syrup today.
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 I show her my prescription paper.
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 The prescription is from the doctor.
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 The pharmacist reads the paper carefully.
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 She takes a medicine from the shelf.
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 The medicine box is small and white.
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 She checks the expiry date now.
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 The expiry date is still far away.
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 She puts the medicine in a bag.
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 I also need some vitamin tablets.
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 The vitamin bottle is very big.
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 The total cost is 500 rupees.
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 I give the money to her.
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 She gives me the exact change.
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 The pharmacist explains the dosage.
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 I should take the medicine twice daily.
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 I thank the pharmacist for her help.
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 I leave the pharmacy with my medicine.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the pharmacy sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.